Not on 55 Dashcam.
21, he should be armed.
Yeah, I'm trying to catch up.
West 150 and turns back in traffic.
Police were on high alert searching for a blue Dodge pickup truck driven by an armed suspect who had just committed a shooting at a local hospital. In a completely brazen move, the suspect actually attempted to drive right back to the active crime scene. Local officers immediately spotted the truck and tried to initiate a felony stop, but the driver floored the gas and kicked off a high-speed pursuit. A police officer with a camera heads toward the scene of the chase to perform a pit maneuver.
Where y'all live?
Right here, Bridgeport. I think I'm behind you. Don't get out of my way on TVI.
That's correct. He's on the wall.
TVI. He's still rolling.
TBI still rolling.
2140, we're gonna follow this over to Memphis. He's still rolling behind me. We're catching the track.
10-4.
What's he live, man?
10-4.
2140, my car's just safe.
10-9.
My unit is just able. He is continuing over to Memphis. Second TV.
The crash completely destroyed and disabled the police cruiser, but the battered Dodge managed to keep rolling, crossing state lines into Tennessee. The suspect's luck finally ran out in Memphis when his heavily damaged truck completely broke down and wrecked. Knowing he was trapped, the suspect desperately tried to throw the handgun used in the hospital shooting out the window before the cops swarmed in. He was tackled into handcuffs and is now facing a mountain of life-ruining charges, including felony fleeing, creating a substantial danger of death, first-degree criminal mischief, theft of property up to $60,000, and all the impending violent felony charges from the initial hospital shooting.
Charger has a headlight out, but that truck's doing 80. It's doing 90 now. Speeding up on me.
At 4:22 a.m., a classic 1984 GMC Sierra pickup blasted past a stationary state trooper doing 80 miles per hour in a 60 mile per hour zone. As the trooper merged onto the interstate to catch up, the driver completely floored the gas, hitting 90 miles per hour before tearing off to the nearest exit and recklessly flying down the middle of local streets at 80 miles per hour.
Good.
1037, north on Mississippi, just blacked out. Be coming up to Missouri Street. It's gonna be an older model pickup. Not really sure what his plan is. He's trying to. Maybe westbound on Cantrell. TBI. You see your hands, dude. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Put them up. Put them up. Put your hands up. Put them the up. Hey. Put them up. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground, dude. Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back.
Please help me.
The driver bailed out on foot but was quickly tackled to the ground. Feigning surrender, he suddenly violently resisted, rolling over and grabbing the trooper's arm. A single targeted compliance strike to the head forced the suspect to finally give up his hands. Refusing a breathalyzer, this uninsured, suspended driver was hauled straight to jail facing massive felony for high-speed fleeing, criminal use of property, resisting arrest, and his second DWI.
PT.
40 westbound. About 248. I think it might be Illinois Boyd Nora 73225.
During routine interstate patrol, a state trooper spotted a Chrysler PT Cruiser illegally camping in the left-hand passing lane, holding up a long line of civilian traffic. The trooper initiated a standard traffic stop, and the driver pulled over to the right shoulder.
D10 4 City on 1037. 40 westbound, 247, speed 110.
Direct.
Go ahead, D5. It's gonna be a silver and color PT Cruiser.
19, I'm at the 235, so let you know.
10-4. We just took the 247.
Watch your speed.
He just about wiped out. He just about rear-ended one. We're back westbound. He just 1038. Hands! Show me your hands! Driver, show me your hands! Hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Open your driver door!
PA, what's your 20?
Driver, show me your hands! Hands! Show me your hands!
Portrays there, camera 247.
Working now.
Give me your hands!
See me on here. See me on here. Let's come kill me and done, man. Keep up.
Hands! Show me your hands!
I'm unable to see anything.
Get on your knees!
See me on.
Get down on your knees!
See me on the knees, yeah.
Face down now!
Yeah, 1050.
1050, one at gunpoint. I got a vehicle on the...
So what?
Just shut up.
Me up and do this stuff. Man, like you don't know, say it's a setup, bro. For what?
Get in there and sit down.
Let me get in and sit down. I'm going to get in and sit down.
After several incredibly tense moments of ignoring the officer, the driver finally pushed his mangled door open, dropped to his knees, and laid flat on the pavement to surrender. A quick background check revealed exactly why he ran. He was illegally driving on a completely suspended license. Now, he is sitting in the county jail facing an absolute mountain of massive felonies, including felony fleeing, creating a substantial danger of death, hit and run property damage, reckless driving, and speeding. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.